بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Powerful Durood for your children's success and protection. Many parents lie awake at night, worried about their children. Will they succeed in life? Will they stay on the right path? Will they be protected from bad influences? Despite all the hard work, all the sacrifices, there is still a fear deep inside the heart. What if my child loses direction? What if success comes, but without peace? Because the truth is, success without Allah's blessing brings no real happiness, no respect, and no stability. But what if there was a simple, powerful daily practice that could bring Allah's mercy, protection, and barakah into your children's lives? A practice that strengthens not only their future, but also your connection with Allah. Today, I want to share with you a beautiful Durood Sharif that can transform your worries into peace, and your hopes into reality, Insha'Allah. Step 1. Set your intention, Niyah. Before you begin, pause for a moment. Close your eyes and make a sincere intention. Ya Allah, I am reciting this for the success, guidance, protection, and honor of my children. Remember, actions begin with intention and sincerity brings acceptance. Step 2. Choose the right times. Follow this simple daily routine. After Fajr, recite 8 times. After Maghrib, recite 8 times. After Zuhr, Asr, and Isha, recite 7 times each. Don't rush to increase numbers. Consistency matters more than quantity. Step 3. Recite with focus and presence. Find a quiet moment. Sit calmly. Recite slowly, clearly, with love. As you recite, imagine Allah's mercy descending upon your home, surrounding your children with protection and guidance. Remember, this is not just recitation, it is a connection with Allah. Step 4. Make heartfelt dua. After completing the recitation, raise your hands. Ask Allah for your children, success in education and career, respect and dignity in society, strong faith and beautiful character. Speak from your heart. Because a parent's dua is never wasted. Step 5. Be consistent. Tell yourself and your family, this is not a one-day action. This is a lifelong habit. Set reminders. Recite daily. Even better, recite together as a family. Because spiritual success requires discipline. Step 6. Trust Allah's timing. Sometimes results take time. But never lose hope. Allah's help is always perfect and always on time. Remember this formula. Patience plus consistency equals lasting success. Translation. O Allah, send mercy upon the leader of all the worlds, your beloved Prophet Muhammad, and upon his family such mercy as befits your majesty, and grant blessings and peace as well. When parents turn to Allah sincerely, they are never alone. Allah takes care of what you cannot control. He protects what you cannot see. And He guides where you cannot reach. Trust Him, call upon Him, and leave the rest to Him. If this touched your heart, like this video, share it with other parents, and start this beautiful habit today. Because your children's future is worth every dua.